Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
I would put gutters on every home unit. I'm not all about additional mandates and rules and stuff, but that is one on the building department. I'm like, gutters should be part of the code. Yes, it doesn't rain constantly, but most of our rains come from very few storms. So there's a lot of water moving very quickly, and it's coming off the roof. Where does it go? Right to the foundation. And we've got very expansive soils. So like we talked about the expansion and contraction of the roofing materials from the water. Well, it's hitting the soil. When you get the soil heaving and settling, it can lead to additional foundation problems. Channeling that water away from the home is a very small price to pay to ensure the structural and long-term integrity of your home.
Yes, I 100% agree with that statement. If you can, it's definitely something you should do. And also too, I noticed, I've been to certain houses that if they would have had a gutter system, we could have ran the water to the street and not to their actual yard, they wouldn't have all this flooding, because sometimes you'll go in these backyards and they don't have any landscape, so it's all flooded back there. And I know that can run into a problem, especially like, let's say you have dogs or something like that and it's all flooded in your backyard. Now you can't let the dogs out. And so, that's definitely true.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.